Yes, got again. Please let's continue with our tutorials. Today's video will be looking at the best export settings in FL Studio, how to export your audio or your song in a quality mode. Okay, it's very simple. You don't have to extract a beat or a track in a bad quality. Okay, I'll be showing you the best setting for your FL Studio. Relax. But if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also leave a comment in the description down below. Without wasting my time, let's see ourselves in FL Studio. We are live in FL Studio. Let's look at how we will export this beat. So let's go to File, then go to Export. We'll be exporting it in both waves and what? MP3. So let's save it. Okay, so this is where you have to focus most. I'll choose the MP3 as well. Set the wave bit to 24 bits if your own is 16 bits, so set it to 24 bits. Okay, then cut remainder. Then also please don't touch this, it should be 192. Okay, here if your own is 2 points something, please set it to 512 points. Then make sure this is on check, uncheck this one, then also uncheck this one unless you want to split the mixer tracks. Aside that, you can hit the start. That's all. Okay, so let's listen to the beat after exporting. Okay, then let's listen to the waves as well. Okay, so that's the best setting for your FL Studio. Okay, that's the best export settings. If you find this video to be helpful, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Then also please leave a comment in the description down below. See you in the next video. It's Gosa on the beat. Still I'll be the solution career.